man was simply waiting for his wife outside his mother-in-law's house when police officers suddenly approached his parked vehicle. But instead of knocking on the window or checking if he was okay, the officers opened his car door and began looking inside. The man immediately objected, demanding they close the door and explain why they were searching his vehicle. What started as a routine encounter quickly turned into a heated confrontation about police authority, personal rights, and whether the officers had crossed a legal line.
Look. Close my door, please. I ain't give you permission to touch my car.
You sleep in the car, right?
Listen. This is closed. I know the owner of this. He closes it every night.
Why don't you just say that?
Listen, I just told you I live on this block. My mother-in-law live on this block. No, bro, listen, close my door. I don't give you no right to look at my car. Stop searching my car with your light, bro. Shut my door. I didn't give you permission to search no vehicle out here. What is you doing? Close my door. I'm not escalating nothing. I know my rights. Y'all gonna get sued. I'm dead serious. Yo, tell them shut my door right now, bro. Or call your supervisor for me. I ain't got nothing to say. I'm not answering no questions, no nothing. Close my door. I ain't give you permission to touch my car door. I ain't doing nothing illegal. I'm minding my business. My wife taking care of her mother. Close my door. See how you wrong. You gonna see where you gonna see you wrong. Nobody come out of here, bro. It's closed. No, it does matter. I live on this block for 20 years. You don't know what you're talking about. You don't know what you're talking about, bro.
De-escalate the situation.
De-escalate. Close my door. He escalated. He opened my door. You did not have permission to open my door, look at my car, search nothing. Thank you. Close my door. Don't ever open nobody's property, bro. What is wrong with y'all? This is the divide between the community and y'all. Y'all walk up acting like y'all Superman. Y'all not. Ain't nobody bothering nobody, bro. I live on this block 20 years. I know the owner of this building. Why the open my door, bro?
Can I speak?
Why he opened my door?
Because we asked you, can you put on my
He don't get what he want. That's not how this work, bro.
You already hostile.
But that's not how this work. You don't open my door without my permission, bro. You think I don't know my rights?
It's not rights, though.
You don't know my rights? Ain't no law being violated. Hold up. Who called you to tell you there was a law being broken out here?
You breaking the law right
Who told you that there was a law being broken out here?
Where's the your well-being? You woke up all hype as hell.
Where's the sign?
Bro, you woke up hype as hell. Everything's recorded.
Look at the sign. 2-hour parking. We got a permit to park on this block. Who called you and told you I'm blocking his driveway? They called you and told you I'm blocking their driveway?
Listening, bro.
I'm asking you a question.
You know what? You know how to explain, bro. I'm trying to make this.
They called you and told you I'm blocking their driveway? Nobody called you, bro. Nobody called you, bro. Y'all came out here looking for a problem. Your man walked up, opened my door, bro. That's not looking for a problem. That's a divide between y'all and the community. That's the divide, is because y'all think y'all right. You don't walk up, open somebody's car, and then tell me you're not right. I don't want to hear you talk. I don't. Because your man just violated. He call your supervisor. Run the tags. Run whatever you got. Legit. You walk up, touch your vehicle. What is you talking about? You tripping, nigga? Ain't nobody tripping. You can look all you ain't nothing in here.
You tripping.
Yeah.
You can get my man.
Yeah. What's your name? What's your name and badge number? What's your name and badge number?
It's right here.
No, I can't read.
Yeah, you can't
read it out for. What's your name and badge number? What's your name and badge number, bro? Huh? What's your name and badge number?
1593.
You ain't pulling me over. This ain't no stop.
Oh, it is a stop.
No, it's not a stop. No, call your supervisor right now. What's your name and badge number?
Oh, Fuentes.
Fuentes?
3700. Fuentes, 3700.
Fuentes, 3700. What's your name and badge number? What's your name and badge number, bro?
1993, Bell. Officer Bell.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You right? You sleep in the car, right?
Right. Call your supervisor for me, please. Thank you. I appreciate it.
You see a driver?
Yeah, somebody called you for this? Somebody called you, told you I'm in it? 20 years I've been on this block, bro. This is the first time y'all ever did it. Yo, your man walked up, opened my car like that, searching all of my car, illegal searches. Get the here. Listen. I'm not refusing the ID until I talk to your supervisor. This is not a stop. This is not a stop. I'm not driving. The car not moving. Supervisor, bro. Call your supervisor, bro. Bro, call your supervisor. No. You know, I'm not getting out nothing. This is an illegal detainment. Illegal detainment. No. Illegal detainment. This is illegal detainment. Don't touch me, bro. Call your supervisor. I'm requesting your supervisor, bro. I'm requesting your supervisor, bro. Okay, we'll call him. Why are you touching me, bro? No, this is not a stop. I wasn't driving. Call your supervisor, bro. Listen. Under threat of arrest. Listen to me. Under threat of arrest. Listen to me. I'm gonna get out this car, but under threat of arrest, you do not have permission to search my car. I'm gonna get out my car, back up, and call your supervisor. I don't see you calling nobody. Don't ever open nobody's car door. What's wrong with you, bro? No, you chill.
For safety, I'm just
No, don't touch me. I ain't giving you no consent, no consent to search me, bro. Why are you touching me, bro? Why is you touching me, bro? Bro, why is you touching me? Bro, nobody called you, bro. What is you doing right now? I'm telling you, I'm a suit. Y'all know my rights, bro. It's an illegal detainment. I'm telling you.
Calm down.
I'm telling you, bro. You're gonna get sued, and they can put them cuffs on retarded, bro. Bro, fix them cuffs. Call the supervisor, bro. Yo, you hurting my wrist, bro. You hurting my wrist, bro. I don't give you permission to search my car. Get the out my car right now. Yo, that's the illegal search. Nobody give you permission to go on my wheel, bro. Why you in my wife's purse, bro? Why the is you in my wife's purse? Yo, this nigga illegally searching my shit now, bro. They violating my rights right now for no reason. They searching the car and everything. Yo, you got a major. Listen, it's a major lawsuit. It's a major lawsuit. It's a major lawsuit. They violating my rights. Listen, these cuffs are cutting my wrist really bad. He put them on. He put them on to be a big. Nothing. I was sleeping in the car. They came and popped the doors open and ran in my car. Listen, nobody called them. Listen, these cuffs are cutting my wrist. Please tell him to fix my cuffs.
Let's go. He was just sitting in the car. Why y'all taking him out the car?
Walking in, he's sleeping in the car. I understand.
Right there.
He don't want me to come around him by myself because it's just not safe.
Well, they tried to get his information. He's kind of being loud, so we're just gonna.
Because he knows his rights. He knows his rights. He knows his rights. You know, he's
He
not.
wasn't. He was sleeping in the car.
He's waiting for me. We're exhausted. We get up 5:30 every morning to take our kids to school.
Just let him finish doing what they're doing. I'm sure you know.
Just a little bit of weed. Probably tripping off that little bit
But
of
why
weed.
y'all searching the car?
Oh, please stop.
Yeah, he was just sitting there.
They ain't say no charges, no. What's the reason of the search?
I don't have to say charges to you. You're not his mom.
They tell him what's the reason for the search. They ain't do none of that.
Can I
I
just
take care of my grandmother down the street.
Okay.
That's what I do, and he don't want me to come over here by myself.
I got
It's
you.
not safe.
No, that's what I'm saying, bro. Like, why y'all
If
taking him
something
out the
happens
car?
to me, and Fox, go in the house. They just
heard me?
locked Anthony up.
He's not locked up. He's detained. Jesus Christ.
I know that's what I'm saying, but why they detain him? He just sitting in the car.
My 76-year-old grandmother is screaming out the door. Because, no, she's screaming because you locked my husband up, who does nothing up. Let him go. He takes care of me and my children.
We do what we have to do.
No, you are violating people's rights. It's not right. I am calling a lawyer and I am filming all this. Go in the house. Go in the house. Go. Well, thank you for getting me.
Illegal searches. You illegally detain me. You illegally detain me. You ran up in my car, my wife's purse. You searched her purse and everything. Her purse was locked. I got it all recorded. I'll see you in court, bro. Nice fuck. Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you for violating my rights. Yo, what's your name and badge number? What's your name and badge number? For the illegal detainment and violating my rights? Yo, he opened my wife's purse and took all my shit. He searched all my shit illegally. You understand me? Illegal detainment. Illegal detainment. I'm suing the lawyer in the morning. Badge number?
392.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Your officers came over here, popped my door open. None of my neighbors called. I've been on this block for 20 years. He opened the door. Listen, he opened the door. I told them my wife is taking care. Hold on. Listen. It's funny that y'all letting me talk now because a minute ago he didn't want to hear nothing. He asked me, "What are you doing?" I said, "My wife's taking care of her grandmother. I've been on this block 20 years." He said, "You blocking the driveway." I said, "It's okay. I know this guy." I said, "He only open Monday through Friday at nights. He closes. He don't mind if you park here." He didn't get. You know what he did? As soon as I said that, he popped the door open on the passenger side. That shit had me so hot. I said, "Bro, why you opening my door?" I said, "Close my door." He would not listen. He would not listen. Yo, look what y'all did to my wrist. Look at this. Look at this. Yo, let me tell you something. I'm recovering from a fractured wrist. 5 years. I'm a truck driver for Coca-Cola. You put them cuffs on so stupid, I can't feel my arm right now, bro.
Gotta go in the house.
Listen, y'all got a lawsuit. I need some. Hold on.
We gotta go.
I need a. What do you call? I need a police
I
report.
just gave it to him.
Who you gave it to?
Be quiet.
You gave it to him.
I'm not talking to you
Who
right
you gave?
now.
Who you gave it to?
I just gave it to you. I gave it to you.
No. I want the report number for this. Huh?
They want to walk away. Talk to you. You're over to
No. I want the report number.
No, you don't
All right, can I get your card? Can I get your card?
Okay.
You have a card on you? And then y'all have cards on y'all? Nobody got cards on y'all? Okay. All right. Listen. I'll see y'all in court. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Have a great night. You're violating people's rights. And you're going to get this same attitude every time. Same attitude every time. Open up another car door. But look at them walking. You know why they let me out that car? They're walking away. They're doing a walk of shame right now.
They didn't pull up in a car?
No, they just came walking up the block. They're doing a walk of shame right now because they know they violate rights. And I'm going to sue the out of them.
After being detained, handcuffed, and having his vehicle searched, the man was eventually released without being arrested. He accused the officers of violating his rights and promised legal action, while his wife passionately defended him throughout the encounter. The officers walked away, but the controversy didn't end there. So what do you think? Were the police acting within their authority, or did they go too far the moment they opened that car door?
Subscribe and follow for more videos.